Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you the best setting for your Crua monitor. The first thing that you want to do is to simply press on one of the buttons on your Crua monitor, which will then look something like this. Basically, you then want to press on these buttons and the OSD controls will appear. That is the on-screen display controls. Now you then want to apply the following setting. So basically for the picture mode, you want to set it to standard sRGB or game. Now this can depend on your style. The game preset or picture mode will set a lot of brightness into it, so you have to keep that in mind. For brightness, you want to set it at 70. Now this can depend on your room lighting, but generally you want to avoid high brightness to avoid eye strains, especially for longer gaming periods. For contrast, set it at 75. Sharpness at 50, color temperature 65K or normal, gamma 2.2, the refresh rate is going to be the maximum supported. Now you can set this on the Windows display setting itself to ensure that your monitor supports the highest resolution. You want to make sure that you are using a display port or a display cable. For the adaptive sync, you want to turn this on. The response time is going to be normal or fast. You want to avoid extreme or ultra because that can go ahead and result in ghosting. And the black equalizer, depending on your Crua monitor model, you want to set it to 5 or 10 for FPS. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.